we are on our way to Moria with Sonia and Clement. They were working in Tahiti for the last year and lived on the boat they bought there. After Moria, we will sail to Raiatea to their new job location. This 2-day trip is the longest they've ever done with the boat.
My name is Sonia.
Clement.
Where are you guys from?
From France.
Réunion Island.
And how old are you guys?
I'm 24.
25.
And it was cheaper actually to have a boat instead than to rent a house. So we said, yeah, why not? We should have a boat, and we can sail to Moria for the weekend or
To Raiatea.
to Raiatea then. Yeah.
How do you feel moving to another country has changed yourself compared to when you would have stayed in France?
When you're traveling, you see a lot of different things all the time, different culture and different way to live. So it's improve yourself.
People are always happy, even if they don't have a lot. Just need a piece of beach and a little coconut tree. So we're actually saving money, like many people are, but the goal is not exactly the same. It's just not just to take vacation for 2 weeks, but maybe for 2 years or something like that.
Birds.
What are you making?
Like just vegetables. Like always, veggies.
Like, would you advise other people, young people, to do the same? Move to another country and work or study for a while? And why?
Yeah, sure. Actually, you can learn a lot. If you are in another speaking language, you can learn another language. If you are in another kind of country, you can learn another culture and stuff. So it's always interesting to travel. I have some friends that are actually working in France and they are saving money to pay their holidays and vacation and stuff. And I'm telling him, okay, I'm just having vacation. It's not vacation, but the life rhythm is pretty good. It's pretty easy.
Yeah,
If you have to take risk, it's when you're. To me, I think it's when you're young, because after that you're too scared to do it, and you don't have the choice to do it anymore.
Yeah. So
because you're stuck. You got your kids, you got your rent, you got your credit, you got your house to pay again and again. The best option is not to know. Like us, we don't know what we want to do. We just bought this boat and we like. We'll see.
How was your first longer trip on your own boat?
That was okay. A little bit sick, but
How was your successful first longer trip on your boat?
Nice, excellent.